Friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how to autofill days in Excel. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So firstly, write here starting days. So after writing the starting day, so just click on it, and when you will click on the cells, so here you can see small circle at the bottom right side. So when you will place the cursor on it, you can see plus options. So just place the plus options to lower end. So when you will press the left side of mouse, so then drag to the lower end according to your need. So you can see autofill days is done. So guys, in this way you can autofill days in the Excel. So guys, if you want to watch more useful videos related to Microsoft Excel, then go to playlist and you can find more useful videos. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.